Programmable logic controllers, PLCs. Control center. PLCs act as the brain of the CNC machine, processing inputs from sensor and switches and generating outputs to control motors and other actuators. Programmable logic. PLCs are programmed with ladder logic or other programming languages to execute specific function and control the machine's operation. Communication hub. PLCs often communicate with other components such as the HMI sensors and other control systems via various communication protocols. Flexibility and adaptability. PLCs are highly versatile and can be adapted to control various CNC machines and processes, offering flexibility and customization option. Human machine interface, HMI, operator interaction. The HMI provides a user-friendly interface for operators to monitor and control the CNC machine. They can view machine status, program tool path, and adjust settings. Data display. HMIs display real-time data about the CNC machine, including its status, position, and process parameters. This allows operators to monitor the machine's performance and identify potential issues. Alarm management. HMIs can display alarms and error messages, alerting operators to any problems or malfunctions. This helps ensure timely troubleshooting and maintenance. Safety interlocks and emergency stops. Safety interlocks. Safely interlocks are mechanical or electrical devices that prevent the machine from operating at safety condition or not met. Emergency stops. Emergency stop buttons are designed to immediately halt the machine in case of an emergency, ensuring operator safety. Troubleshooting and maintenance. Preventive maintenance. Regular cleaning, lubrication, and inspection help prevent breakdown and ensure optimal performance. Diagnostic tools, software tools, and diagnostic equipment help technicians identify and troubleshoot electrical problems, ensuring quick resolution. Documentation, detailed electrical diagrams and manual provides essential information for troubleshooting and maintenance tasks. Future trends in CNC electrical system. Advanced motor control, improved motor control algorithm and sensor technologies will lead to even more precise and efficient motion control, connectivity and automation, artificial intelligence, energy efficiency,